So our first ever G63 professional package is here, and the client is curious if it's going to fit in the garage or not. So we're going to measure it. Oh yeah.
It's like hot.
All right, so.
Here, give me that tape, man. I'll help you out.
All right.
It's gonna be 80 something.
Okay, let's see if we can.
It's not straight.
Yeah.
Let's do it this way so I can step on it.
Okay. Why don't I step on it and you get back up there?
It's it's about 81 3/4 of an inch.
What's the maximum height?
I don't know, we're gonna find out. Kind of curious, what is the height from the top of the roof? So it's about 3.5 inches off the roof of the truck. Awesome. This turned out really nice.
Yeah.
I love it. Full two-tone interior, saddle black, manufacturer.
Did you do the cherry wood?
We didn't do that.
Does he actually use it?
Does a lot of skeet shooting and, you know, throwing cases in the back, etc. You don't want to ding up the floor.
Yeah.
But
Makes sense.
Right? I dig it. Okay. Awesome. Hot. Thanks, brother.
It's a hot car. It's a good build.
This is the first regular 63 that we've ever done with a professional package. We've had 4x4s with it and plenty of 550s. I like it. Got to get it cleaned up. Beautiful. Would you look at that?
Just look at it.